Hello and welcome to the Stamp Camp. I'm Glenda Calkins, your independent Stampin' Up demonstrator. Today I am going to show you the Christmas gifting kit. Now this kit is one of my favorites because it features gift card holders and I love to create and give gift cards. So let's change the camera and get started. All right, so this is the kit. It is the Christmas gifting kit. I'm showing you this kit because it is one of my favorites because of it being gift cards as well as tags, or I'm going to show you today how you can take a tag and put that on a card, a full-size card, and still keep it a gift card holder as well. So this is the kit. I've only got one tag left, and I'm going to take that and show it today on a card, but I'm going to just show you the tags as they are intended in this kit. Now these kits are wonderful because they're all inclusive. They have the ink spot in there, they've got the twine, your tags, it's got a stamp set with lots of sentiments, so this can be used over and over again. It also comes with a clear block, and then it's got your die cuts in here as well. I've already went ahead and die cut or stamped my die cut so I can save time on that. But I'm just going to show you, these are the tags, and then the center pops out to reveal a shape. There's 3 stars, 3 Christmas trees, and 3 deers. And then these tags is where your gift card slides in there, and it fits behind your tag so you see it through, and then your gift card is on the other side, and then on the front you can put your little sentiment. It's got some die cuts to put. But when I put mine together, because the thing holding the tag and the gift card together is just the string, so it would swing. And I thought, well, I really don't like that swinging, so I used my punch piece and put that on the back side where the gift card goes in. So I put a dimensional here so it no longer swings. So now it stays in the center and the front. You can still use it as a gift card holder. What I do a lot of times is I hang these on my Christmas tree, and then when we play games with the kids at Christmas, they can go pick a tag off the tree and it's got a gift card on the back. So just a little something fun that we do. But I'm going to show you, here's all the other ones in the kit. And like I just did the same thing. I took the punched out piece and placed it on the back side so that gift card doesn't swing. But now I'm going to show you how you can take these and create a full-size card and keep them as a gift card holder as well. So this is the last one I have, so that's the one we're going to use. I'm going to use I think I'll use the red string. I've already stamped, so I don't need to do that. I'm going to just punch out that piece there. And I think I will put a Merry Christmas. Maybe we'll do it in the black stripe. They give you more than what you need in case you do make a mistake. You still got extras of all those die cut pieces. The only ones that aren't extras are these ones that go on the front. So there's all my extras. The kits all come, let me get this out of the way, with your directions. So very self-explanatory. It goes each tag and how to assemble and what each tag needs. So really quick and easy. But now I'm going to take this and I'm going to put this on a full-size card. So the first thing I'm going to do is place this die cut piece on the front like so. Is that the way I want that? Or like that? No, I want it like this. Get that up there, just like that. Then I'm going to pop this up with dimensionals. Now the dimensionals do come in the kit, so you don't have to worry about that either. So I'm going to put this across there. So far I'm just assembling the tag as it comes in the kit. And then this will fit down on the back like so. Actually, I'm not going to punch that out. I should have left that in there. Oh well, that's all right. All right, where's my string? Here's my string. Now we're going to use our string. I'm just guessing a length, but the instructions do give you a specific length. I'm just going off on my own here. You'll have plenty of string for all your cards, but I did use it on my tags as well as on the cards. So there's that, all right? Now, my card base I'm gonna pick up is that Rio Red. So let's get that. Fold that in half. This is just 4 1/4 by 11. Scored at 5 1/2, folded in half. Then I have a piece of basic white that is 4 by 5 1/4. We're just going to put that on the front. Like so. We're going to flip our tag over and we're going to use our dimensionals to pop that tag up. Just like that. I'm going to just center this on the front. Like so. We're going to take our tag and instead of having this showing, we're going to have the back side showing. And we're just going to slide that down in there like so. I'm going to take the ends here. I'm just going to tie a knot. Trim off that. So there's my gift card. Easily slide that out. On the back side, I'll just put this for you, and we just want to stick that down. We don't want to pop that up. You can just stick that right there. You can slide your gift card in there, and it just slides right back down inside. Pretty cute, huh? Now this leftover piece, we're going to attach that to this piece that's going to go on the inside. So we're going to decorate the inside as well as the outside. But how quick and easy is that to take a tag and create a full-size card with it. And keep that gift card in there as well. So just a fun card. So if you're not into tags but you love gift card holders, you can do that with all of the images. So this is the Christmas one. Here's the deer one. So they all have the little tag, and then the gift card slides in and out. So I have 2 of the cards as the deer, and then the Christmas, and now the star. So how quick and easy is that? Love that. And if you don't want a full-size card, you also have the tags that you can put on a gift, or you can put that on a present, however you want to do it. But I love this kit. It is the Christmas gifting kit, and it is on special until the end of August. So grab it. It is while supplies last. So hopefully there's still some available, because I love this kit. It is so pretty, and it can go for anybody and everybody. Love it. That is it for today. If you are new to my YouTube channel, make sure that you like, subscribe, click on that bell in the upper right hand corner so you always know when I go live. If you would like to purchase the kit, if you click on show more under the video, There's a direct link to my store where I sell the kit. And again, it is on special this month. All the kits in the kits collection are on special until August 31st. So that is it for today. Thanks for stopping by.